Hey guys, this is Alan from BTS Tune here. Just wanted to give a PSA for a lot of you newer owners or even older owners that have never done this or considered it. Check your baffles, remove them, find out what's in there, clean them out, especially if your valve covers have been in a parts wash or blasted. A lot of that shit gets stuck inside and you're left with clogged baffles and a lot of debris that can get into your bearings and wreak havoc. So this is the rear one. You can see there's a lot of crap built up. Don't mind the shavings. Baffles pretty filthy. Front was absolutely worse, but this is what you're looking at that's trapped in there. The front I already finished as far as cleaning. Just need to put the fasteners, already tapped it, but you can see that it's more or less free of all the crap that was previously in there. So comparison, it's more caked shit and a little bit cleaner. I will have a write-up, how-to guide on 3si.org. I will have that link in the description, so check it out. You might learn something. Drop a comment if you feel otherwise, or have something to toss in from your experience that may help others.